Beauty Chickie, and I am back at the Kiss Beauty Studio to show you guys how to apply Kiss's new magnetic lashes. Click and release. Some people may find applying magnetic lashes hard or intimidating, but with the new Kiss Easy Load applicator, it makes applying lashes super easy. For beginners, regular lashes can be super difficult and messy, but with these lashes, there is no glue required, so you can have amazing lashes and feel confident and beautiful. So today I'm going to be using the Kiss Magnetic Lashes in style 02, and a little tip I have for you guys before applying the lashes is to apply some mascara, that way that the lashes have something to grip onto. To remove the lashes from the tray, just slide them in an upward motion, that way that you don't damage them. To use the Kiss Easy Load applicator, all you do is you take the front and rotate it down, and when the Kiss logo is facing up, it's for your right eye, and when it's facing down, it's for your left eye. For the top lashes, the magnets are on the bottom, and for the bottom lashes, the magnets are on the top. And you'll notice that the bottom lash is super lightweight, that way that the lashes don't feel heavy on your eyes. So I already removed my lashes from the tray and already rotated the applicator. So now I'm going to take the lashes and apply them to the applicator along the inner edge, making sure that the lashes are curled up, and then I'm going to take my bottom lashes and do the exact same thing. So now that I loaded my lashes into the patent pending Easy Load applicator, I'm just going to rotate it back up. So now to actually apply the lashes, you're going to slide the applicator, that way your natural lashes are between the magnetic lashes. Carefully get the applicator as close to the lash line as possible. And then once you have it, just click and release. These look absolutely amazing, and the best part is that they come pre-curved and I don't even need to trim them because they fit all eye shapes. The Kiss Magnetic Lashes are so easy to remove. All you do is take your thumb and your index finger and slide them on the lashes horizontally to release the magnet. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao, chickies. Mwah.